duckling song.
Okay, go ahead and sing it.
Okay. It has 5 ducks.
Okay.
And they went out to play and over the hill and they were far away and the mommy duck said, quack, quack, quack.
What did the baby ducks say?
The little ducks came, 4 little ducks came waddling back.
Oh, yeah? What's the next part?
4 little ducks went out to play.
And then what?
Over the hills and far away.
And then what?
When the mother duck said, quack, quack, quack.
Keep going. Was it 3 little ducks?
Oh yeah, it was, right?
What did those 3 little ducks do?
They came waddling back.
And then what happened?
3 little ducks went out to play.
And?
Over the hills and far away.
And then?
The mommy duck said,
Quack, quack, quack.
yep.
And?
2 little ducks came waddling back, right? And I get to know ducklings when I get to know